Today we're diving into the realm of Latin flavors with our sensational chicken thigh kebabs. First up, let's whip up that marinade. Grab a bowl and channel your inner chef by whisking together olive oil, fresh lime juice, garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, oregano, chili powder, salt, and pepper. This marinade is going to be the VIP ticket for our chicken thighs, so make sure it's well mixed and packed with flavor. Before we get into the juicy details, let me remind you to hop over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe. Now let's talk chicken. We're talking about boneless, skinless chicken thighs here, the unsung heroes of the poultry world. Picture this: tender, juicy, and oh so flavorful. But before they can take center stage, we need to do a little prep work. Grab your trusty knife and let's get to slicing. We want to transform those chicken thighs into bite-sized cubes of perfection, about 1 inch in size. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take those delectable chicken thigh cubes and place them in a large mixing bowl. We're talking chicken swimming pools here, folks. Pour that luscious marinade over them, ensuring every piece of chicken is covered in this liquid gold. We want each morsel to be soaking up that flavor like a sponge in a tropical paradise. Then, pop it in the fridge. Let those flavors mingle and dance together for at least 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. Patience is a virtue, my friends, but also worth it in the end. Next, let's talk skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, give them a good soak in water. We don't want our kebabs going up in flames before they hit the grill, do we? Safety first, folks. Once your skewers are prepped and ready to roll, it's time to assemble our flavor-packed kebabs. Thread those marinated chicken thigh cubes onto the skewers, alternating with vibrant chunks of red and green bell peppers, tangy red onions, and if you're feeling fancy, some sweet pineapple for that extra tropical flair. Now let's fire up the grill. Preheat it to medium-high heat and get ready to sizzle. Place your assembled kebabs on the grill grates and let the magic unfold. Grill those beauties for 12-15 minutes, turning them occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are charred to perfection. Once your kebabs are done dancing on the grill, it's time to let them rest for a moment, but not for too long, because trust me, you won't be able to resist diving into these flavor bombs. Serve them up hot off the grill, squeeze a bit of fresh lime juice over the top for that extra zing, and if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle on some chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. And there you have it, folks. Our Latin-style chicken thigh kebabs are ready to steal the show. Pair them with your favorite side dishes, gather your friends and family around the table, and get ready for a feast fit for royalty. So, what are you waiting for? Get grilling and let's make some mouth-watering memories together. Remember, for the full recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Happy cooking, amigos. Buen provecho.